Okay, so today is Hillbilly Saturday. That's right, you heard me right. Hillbilly Saturday. So we're going to be looking at some of the monstrosities that mainly the Russians have come up with. Thanks a lot, Pete. That the Russians have come up with and made DIY. Thank you, Pete, once again. Oh, so wonderful you to be quiet all day long, and then all of a sudden when I record, you decide to whistle. Great, thanks. But anyways, that's what we're looking at for today on the Ochanos channel. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and let's do some of this stuff that I talked about today. Okay, so I just came across this, and actually, this is not too bad of an idea. But it does say Russian soldiers DIY washing machine. I think it actually was a pretty good idea considering you had to get your clothes washed somehow, right? Don't want to wear dirty clothes all the time. Or do you? I don't know. So, anyways, I was able to take a couple days and I fixed my 4K recording problem. Now I should be recording at 4K quality. And also, I was able to remove the magnifying thing. So now when I move my mouse around, I don't know if you can even see my mouse in there. I don't even know. Can you see my mouse? I guess you can't even see my mouse. That's weird. Okay. But my magnifying glasses and you can't see it anymore. So yeah, let's check out this video. And how do you play?
The video shows a Russian soldier on the front lines with his DIY washing machine. All the parts are scrounged from the
So you
battlefield, a true
can't see my
testament to
magnifying
necessity
glass
being the mother
anymore.
of invention. The wash drum looks like it's made from an anti-tank missile casing. They've jacked up a car's front wheel and secured the casing to the tire with some rope. After adding water and detergent, they toss in the clothes, close the lid, and they're all set. Just start the car to get the washing going. But getting clothes clean isn't as simple as pressing the gas pedal. You have to keep revving the engine on and off,
That's
and
pretty
occasionally
smart.
put it in reverse to spin the drum the other way for the best cleaning results. However, the noise from the car engine might just attract some unwanted missile attention. The video shows a Russian soldier on the front lines with his
No, I'm not gonna lie, that was pretty cool. Okay, I found another one. This is over at the Armor. PAB. The Armorer's Bench. And this actually looked kind of interesting, so let's check this out.
We've previously examined a couple of Russian efforts to develop small arms based anti drone weapons, including the single shot shotgun insert for the GP25 underbarrel grenade launchers. And in the future,
Yeah.
we'll examine efforts to develop an anti drone shotgun muzzle device, which is now in production with several Russian companies.
Hmm.
All of these efforts have one thing in common. They are seeking to turn
Oh
the
God,
individual soldier's
that's
rifle
stupid.
into a weapon capable of countering the enormous drone threat they're facing. In this
Oh,
video, we'll examine perhaps the
that's dumb.
simplest attempt at
Oh
creating
my
a
God.
counter-drone ammunition that I've come across so far. While a number of Russian companies have developed specialist shotgun ammunition for increasing the probability of shooting down drones with 12-gauge shotguns, there's been no official or commercial efforts
Well,
to
that's kind of stupid. No, that's really stupid. So you're gonna put, I mean, it looked like a regular round, an AK round, and then you put a shotgun shell in a canister, and then you fire an AK to the shotgun to set it off. Depend when you just use the shotgun, isn't that kind of weird? Whoa, no comment. I really have no idea what this is. It's how Russian soldiers DIY new equipment. It's over on what them media hides. What the media hides. Ha! That's weird. Okay, so yeah, this is from his channel and or her channel. I can't see. But check it out. Okay. So that maybe was some kind of mortar or something. Uh I don't know. Okay, so unfortunately this one has um it has some really goofy, stupid song called Made in Russia. Yeah, I think I can fart better than this person is singing. And but anyways, I found this interesting because one, yeah, I'm a bit musical myself. I play a few different instruments, trumpet and so forth, and uh, metallophone, me, me, metallophone, me, me telephone. And that's actually, a xylophone, but I don't know why they called it that. Maybe because it's made from metal and it's wanting to call metal phone. I don't know, metallophone. But isn't it a xylophone? Same thing. I don't know. If somebody has that answer who's musical, put a comment. Make a comment down in the comment section. Okay? Thanks. Let's check out one more or some more. Okay, so on this one, I found this pretty interesting too. And it just caught my eye because it said, a Russian soldier handling a piece of butter. And I was like, yeah, I like butter. It didn't, that doesn't look like butter. No. That don't look like no butter to me. Nah, that ain't butter. That ain't the Cajun butter. Put that, yeah, well, we're not going to put that on shrimp. Check it out.
What you see in front of you that resembles butter is actually not butter. It is a M90 directional anti-personnel mine. The C4 plastic explosive filled inside weighs a total of 30 pounds. After the explosive is removed, what you see now is purple-red prefabricated fragments, which are composed of 2,000 small steel balls of 7 by 7 millimeters. This wooden box is not only its factory packaging, but also the base used to lay mines. Open the buckle to open the cover plate. There is a threaded hole on the cover plate, which is used to fix the mine body. First is the M190 directional anti-personnel mine body, 2 adapters with threads on both sides. The small end is connected to the mine, and the large end is connected to the base. There is a large ground nail. When in mobile operations, it is used to fix the mine on a tree or in a wall gap. There is also a handle for adjustment. 4 galvanized large nails for fixing the base. 2 interface protection clips are used to protect the safe connection between the detonator and the fuse. It's like a step-by-step. What you see in front of you that resembles butter is actually...
Okay, but I'm a little confused because why is he taking this apart? I mean, what's he going to use it for? Oh, I don't know. That's kind of confusing in a way. Uh, Cutting it apart, or is he making something different? I don't know, because it looks like that is an anti-personnel mine right there. Why take it apart? Does that make any sense? If anybody knows who knows about explosives and that particular ordinance, comment. Just put a comment down in the comments. Let me know. A lot of questions. I'm bringing up a lot of questions. Okay, so congratulations if you made it to the end of this video. Hopefully I picked out some kind of interesting stuff. I try to look at stuff that I haven't seen before. I follow Ukraine very closely, so I'm familiar with kind of the blunders and kind of the stuff that they come out with. So most of the things I've seen, I try to pick out stuff that I haven't seen. So anyways, if you could please click like and subscribe. I'll be coming out with videos 3 times a week, edited. Hopefully this is in 4K, so that way for your viewing pleasure, it's more viewable. And hopefully you don't see my magnifying glass that Windows provided me. So thank you very much, Windows. But I was able to figure out some settings so that way you didn't have to be distracted, distracted by my magnifying glass that I use to see because I am very blind. Thanks again. Hit the like and subscribe. That's twice that I said that. So that must really mean something, huh? Anyways, everybody loves my bird, Pete. Hopefully you heard him in the background making noises. Have a good day. Bye.